Welcome to Chaz's Lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you how I create my jerk chicken Mafaldine pasta. So this is the pasta I will be using. This is my original pasta recipe mixed with my Rasta pasta. So I have a couple of seasonings that I place in a bowl just so it's easy to mix and incorporate into all of my dishes. Okay, so we will be dividing it. So I will be using some on the chicken breast and some in the pasta sauce. So here I have 2 chicken breasts that I will be slicing to flatten. You can flatten them out if needed. But as you can see, just slicing them is perfect, okay? And it helps cook your chicken breast faster. So I'm going to place all of my chicken breasts in one bowl, and we're going to start by adding some green seasoning as well as a couple tablespoons of jerk seasoning. After that, I'm going to go in with a sprinkle of that seasoning mix we made. And then you want to mix that together very, very well. I do suggest marinating your meat if you can. Okay, so that is key. At least 10 minutes, at least 15 minutes, okay? So we're going to mix that together very well. And like I said, cover it and marinate it in the fridge. Now I have my preheated cast iron pan after my chicken was marinated, and I'm going to place it in the pan. Now make sure when you put your chicken in the refrigerator, you take it out for at least 2 minutes. You don't want it to be too cold while placing it in the cast iron. Okay, so I'm going to sear this on both sides for about 5 minutes each, and then I'll place it in the oven for just a couple minutes on 400 just to ensure everything is fully cooked. So that's why we sliced up our chicken breast so they don't take too long to cook, but you want to ensure that your chicken breast stay juicy. Okay, so here I have a preheated pan on medium-high heat. I am sauteing my bell peppers, and you want to saute them until they're softened and slightly caramelized. This will create even more flavor to your dish. So as you can see, after about 5 to 6 minutes, they're softened. I'm going to add that beautiful fresh green seasoning. If you would like this green seasoning recipe, be sure to check in the description box. I will have that link down below. So after that heats up for about 2 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and add in my heavy cream. So my noodles are perfect. They're done. Let's go ahead and drain that. So as my sauce is heating up, I will be adding in a little bit of that jerk seasoning as well as the remaining of those seasonings we created, okay? So whisk that very well. I do recommend using a whisk to help really break down those seasonings. So I have my heat on a medium low. I'm gonna let that come to a slight boil. The sauce is beautiful, rich with flavor. We're gonna add in some fresh Parmesan cheese. So we're going to mix that in with a whisk until it's completely smooth. At this point, you can go ahead and turn off your stove, and you can remove the pot if you want and just put it on the other side and let it cool slightly. Chicken breasts are finally done out the oven after about 5 minutes. So about 15 minutes is perfect. Okay, so now that our sauce is thickened up a little bit, we're going to add in those beautiful noodles, perfectly cooked. Mix that in that sauce very, very well. Now we're going to add in those chopped chicken breasts that we made earlier and mix that up. I did save 1 chicken breast for presentation purposes and just chop it up, place it on top, add some parsley, add some Parmesan cheese, and you're good to go. This recipe is so simple and easy. One of my favorites, Rasta pasta. Had to make an updated recipe, y'all. Okay, if you decide to make this recipe, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines Story, all right? See y'all later. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. My favorite part is the taste test, and you know it's good.